Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm wanting to show you how to add videos to Google Slides to make your presentations more engaging and dynamic. Videos are a powerful way to grab attention, illustrate points, or bring your content to life. Whether it's a school project, a business presentation, or a personal project, embedding videos will help your slides stand out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert, resize, and control videos seamlessly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can type the URL directly or search for it on Google. Once loaded, make sure you're signed into your Google account, which is required to access your presentations and insert videos from Google Drive. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is quick and free. On the Google Slides homepage, you'll see all your existing presentations and an option to start a new one. Click blank presentation to create a fresh slide deck, or choose a template if you want a pre-designed layout. A blank presentation gives you full control over your slides and how your video fits into the design. With your presentation open, go to the menu bar at the top and click Insert, then select Video from the drop-down menu. Google Slides lets you add videos in multiple ways. You can search YouTube directly, paste a YouTube link, or upload a video from Google Drive. Choose whichever works best and click Select to insert it into your slide. Once inserted, you can move and resize the video to fit your layout. Click and drag to reposition, or use the corner handles to resize while keeping the correct aspect ratio. You can also adjust playback options by selecting the video and opening the Format Options tab, allowing you to play the video automatically, on click, or loop it for continuous playback. And that's it. Adding videos is simple but can dramatically enhance your slides. Experiment with different placements and settings to make your presentation engaging and professional. Videos not only keep your audience interested, but also make your content more memorable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Slides tips and tutorials. Now it's your turn. Add a video and see how it transforms your presentation.